Today, I'm making lamb chop, lamb grill with omi. Wow, yummy! Fried it. Lamb grill. Lamb grill. Looks yummy. Can't wait to taste it. Okay, let's start. First, get lamb into the box. Yes, I'm making lamb chop. Clean lamb with water, some flour, some salt. Let lamb and wash. Wash the lamb. Time to marinate. Some lemon. Cut the lemon. What? Squeeze the lemon. Apple cider. Rosemary. Mixed herbs. Black pepper, chili flakes, salt, ketchup, yogurt, mix evenly. Marinate overnight. Slice of potatoes. Potatoes are trying to grill. Some butter, hot plate. Now the lamb. Heat non-stick hot plate. Fry the lamb chop with some potatoes. Cover with lid. Grill each side for 5 minutes. Now let's make mushroom sauce. About slice shiitake mushrooms. Dip mushrooms with onion. Clean until smooth. Put some herbs and black pepper until it hurts. Put some water. Mix and cook again for a while. Some black pepper sauce. Add more water. Mix it. Mix. The sauce is ready. Dry carrots and broccoli. Now, time to put on a plate. Lit up nicely. Time to eat. Yummy! Wow, yummy! Sedapnya. This one for me. I want to taste it. It's super delicious. It's about Aki setting off the table. We are setting the Baba's birthday.
Also, this is the best part.
Happy birthday to Baba. Happy birthday to Baba.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay. Okay, let's Baba enjoy the dinner. Like a king.
Wow!